Hi, today I want to show you this puzzle. It's a huge puzzle for me and it has arrived yesterday. This is my new laptop and I've been using this since August 2018, Metabox 17-inch. I have been using it without the built-in display for a while because it has died and I have to use the external monitor. And this is very annoying because it's no longer portable. Okay, let's open and have a look. This one is now just 16-inch. Let's open it. It's a bit smaller inside here. It's a MSI laptop, and on the top here is saying upgraded by the shop. On the other side here, I ordered it from a local shop, got it delivered. So inside there's another box. Gaming laptop. Okay. Remove this here. Okay. Okay, there's only a cable. So where's the power adapter? Okay. These are the booklets as usual. And the power adapter is hidden here. Now let's have a look. Not bad. Okay, let me give you a look from the side here. There's a USB-A and a so-called combo audio port. I guess this is a connection for the headset. And there's also a USB-A from the back and HDMI and also an Ethernet port. And from the other side, there's another USB-A and also a USB-C. Actually, it's really good to have USB on each side, but I wish there's more USB-C. Now let me check the weight of the laptop. So it's 2.433 kilogram. Just to compare with my old 17-inch, you can see the difference here. Both are Intel i7. I upgraded my GPU from my old laptop GTX 1030 to now RTX 4070. So I hope it will make a lot of difference in generation of AI images or videos. Okay, now let's open it. Ta-ta! Okay. It's Intel Core i7, NVIDIA RTX. Okay, now it's updating Windows. So finally, everything is done. Now it's on. Okay, I've installed Pinocchio and I want to use FramePack, the AI video generator, to demonstrate the laptop. Let's start FramePack here. Now I'm going to use this photo and just a simple prompt here and generate 5 seconds of video. Let's start it and see how long it takes. At the moment you can see the GPU is very busy here and the memory is sometimes fully in use. Let's show you here. Okay, now it's busy and there's also a preview as well. Okay, it's just completed. Less than 20 minutes, that's not too bad. So this is my MSI Saw 16-inch and I'm quite happy with that. My previous laptop Metabox, it's GTX 1060. When I bought it, I was starting doing deepfake and I thought just buy one with a simple NVIDIA graphic card. This is quite a giant leap for me to upgrade to RTX 4070. I know it's not the latest, but that's what I can afford. Now I can generate video locally. 20 minutes for a 5-second video, that's not too bad. I know it's quite a long time. You can generate a video online much faster. But normally I only use the daily free credit, and I have to be in the queue for a while until it starts generating. And after about 3 videos, I run out of the daily credit, so I have to wait for another day. Now I can generate as many as I want. I know the resolution is lower than I do it online, but I'm just playing around. I don't expect the high quality, so I'm fine with that. I will be using more AI tools locally in the future. I have already installed MMAudio and also from ByteDance. They are all working. It's a little bit slow, but I don't have to worry about the censorship, and I can generate as many as I want every day. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, please give me a thumb up. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Well, there are more videos to watch, or you can subscribe and we'll never miss a future video.